Hello guys, I am from the Safe Solutions Icons on your YouTube channels. This video is made for how to screen mirroring to your phones, both phone Android and iOS devices. Now read the instructions. First, how to connect your phone, both Android and iPhone, it's mean iOS device display or screen mirrorings. First, download the software to your PC and install. Then after download software to your phones. Now available both store, it's mean Play Stores, Amazons and App Store. Best is the powerful and famous stores, Play Stores, and the other App Store. This is the two Play Stores are famous. Now please these instructions. Now go to your browsers. Okay, now go to the Google. now write a power. Okay, now ApowerMirror, this is a powerful software. Now this software is also available from original for me to now personally you email my a particular email any other persons. Now go to open this site. Okay, now download this one. Okay, best Android iPhone screen mirroring softwares. Okay, now download. Now this software is already downloaded and installed in my PC. Now close this one. Okay, now open. This software is work only the 10 minutes works from your screen mirroring, but this software is already downloaded in my PC. I have available from original for me. Now this is my softwares. Okay, now let's go to your phone and download your this software into your phone. Okay, now click the iOS. Okay, now show the methods. Now show the methods. This one will show here. Okay, and show the name. Now go to the first one. This is okay. Now this. Okay, now connect. This is your methods, and now play your large gaming and any others. No via cables, no others. Thank you. Watch my videos. This video is very helpful for my viewers. Thank you so much.